Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna take.
Hey guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV, and as you can see, I am braiding my hair. I had went to the braid shop because I don't know, for some reason I've been wanting to braid my hair. I had went to the braid shop, and the lady, I asked her, how much would it be to, to braid my hair? And she said for box braids, it would be, $200. I said, okay. I asked the lady, I said, well, can you grab my hair? Because, I get my hair shaved off, on the sides going into a V, and in the back shaved off. So the sides and the back is shaved off, tapered down into a V, right? So she grabbed my hair and she said, oh yeah, I can grab it. So when she told me that made me say, well, hell, if you can grab it, I can grab it. So I went to the store, bought some hair, and guys, I'm trying to see, well, you see already that I can grab my hair. Now, I was going to go ahead and get the box braids with her, but I know that I probably won't even leave these box braids in my head 2 weeks. I don't know. You know what, guys? I know. So I was like, okay, she's going to charge $200 for box braids, but I know I'm not going to leave them in long. So why would I pay that? So if I want them that bad, I said, okay, let me come home and see if I can do them myself. And if I can do them myself, that's $200 saved, because it sure enough would have been $200 wasted, because I'm telling you guys, I wouldn't have left these braids in my head no longer than 2 weeks. As y'all know, that I have a texturizer in my hair, and I'm just trying to give it time to grow out. Between texturizing, right? I gotta go get some. Hold on. And guys, all I'm doing is doing the rubber band method. Just parting off my hair, doing the rubber band method. Then I feed the hair through there, and we're gonna see. I'm gonna grab what I can grab. What I can't grab, I'm not gonna worry about. Okay. So I am just going to use the rubber band method. So I am parting my hair and just putting a rubber band on it. But the thing that I'm using is this little plastic orange tool. And I'm not going to make the rubber bands tight. I'll only make the hair tight only after I pull the hair through. Now at the very bottom of my hair, it's faded off. If I can grab it, then I'll grab it. If I can't, I ain't putting no tension on it. And I really want to finish tonight, guys. I really want to finish this tonight, because I haven't been to the health club in like 3 days. I've been working out at home, and which is not a problem, but I alternate between cardio and weights and things like that, and I'll probably do the 4 days at home. No, 4 days at the gym and 1 day at home. But like I said, I've been decorating my house. Y'all got to go look at them videos. And I just been working out at home. Today, I don't know if I filmed it. I probably did. If I did, I'll put it in this video. Today, I went and I washed my car. And I burned over 1,000 calories out there. Just washing my car, so I'm gonna count that as a workout. So this is what it looks like, with just some plaits in there. And I wonder, should I try that last braid? The worst, you know what? I'm a ponytail. Because the worst thing that can happen is what? It fall out. And trust and believe, I ain't caring about that. Hell, I done went to the Africans, got micro braids, and those done fell out. I actually had a man to hand me my braid. It's like, your braid fell out. Sure did. I said, oh, thank you. Said it sarcastically, because I believe he was being funny. But the damn braid fell out, whether he was being funny or not. So that's where my hair is faded at. And so it ponytailed. If it start hurting, I'm going to take it out, because that hair is short. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 braids here, guys. I'm going to show you how I feed it through. Which I know y'all done seen that 1,000 times. I ain't even caring about how I measure the hair out. I went on and got some 1B30 hair just to put some color in there. So I got this much hair. Y'all know how this goes. So I'm gonna take that braid. I hope y'all can see this. Okay, I gotta grab the braid, y'all. Just gonna take that braid. I should have did it with the top one, because that one is sort of looser. I feed it through like that. I go towards the end of the hair, so I ain't got that much to pull through. Grab that. Pull it through. See, that's tight. That's why I said I am going to make sure my rubber bands are loose. But I had no choice with this one, because it was, you know, the faded hair. I pull it through like that. And it's on there. Can you guys see it's on there? And then I just turn the hair so it'll be on top of that rubber band. Then I just start braiding. So guys, I'm just separating the hair, making sure that hair is laying on top of that rubber band. And then I am just going to braid it down. And this is how I have been doing my whole head and make it, you know, easy for me. Because like I'm telling you guys, I know me. I'm not going to leave these braids in my head no time. I'm shooting for 2 weeks, but I already know I am not going to make it. Guys, this is the hair I'm using. Can you see that? And 2 of them come in a pack. And so I bought 2 packs. So let's see how much of my hair I can get done. I'm glad I'm making the boxes bigger, because at first I was going to do micro braids because I didn't think I could grab my hair. But as you see, nothing defeats a failure but a try, guys. All right, guys, by now I hope you have hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss my next video that's coming out. Now, guys, I am going to tell you, I have been coming up with so many beautiful protective styles, but don't worry about it. I have made videos about it, and you're going to love those videos. Now, guys, look, you're not going to believe what ended up happening towards the end of this video. I did all of this work. You know what? I'm not going to spoil it. But guys, you know I really do appreciate you coming by, spending this time with me, and watching my videos. You guys know by now that I really do appreciate you guys, because you are the reason why my channel is growing. So just know I do appreciate you. So let's get back to this video, guys. All right, guys, so when I pull the hair through, I told you I leave a little ponytail loose. I leave it loose. So then once I get it, pull the hair through, I just pull my hair tight around the hair that I just put in there. And that makes it more tighter. And that's my method. I ain't saying this the best, but it gets this hair through there easily, and it's allowing me to move quicker. Like I said, I have been losing weight. Can you tell? Can you tell? I have been losing weight, guys. Now, I made a video for you guys about, you know, lowering your blood sugar to lose weight. I think everybody should try to lower their blood sugar. I'm just, talk to your doctor first. Disclaimer. For me, I was told I was a pre-diabetic last year. And to me, everybody a pre-diabetic, because before you have diabetes, you know, it's pre. So if you keep eating bad and stuff like that, you will become one. So, like I said, lowering, when you start really getting serious about it and everything and learning about it and lowering your blood sugar and finding out all that the carbs, like in potato chips and stuff that you eat, if you don't burn that stuff off, it turns into sugar. And your pancreas is trying to keep up with the sugar intake in your body. And when it can't, you become insulin resistant, and you start gaining weight and having all type of other problems. So a lot of stuff that I eat is like sugar-free, you know, the best it can be. And guys, I'm telling you, and I'm down to eating once a day. I eat once a day. At first it was laboring. Only one day was laboring, you know. Surprisingly, only one day was laboring. And then after that, it just wasn't laboring anymore. Yeah, I'm losing weight. When I started this journey, I was 163 pounds. Now I'm down to 148 pounds. Yep. And I think I'm going to lose maybe 3 more pounds, get down to 145. I'm going to lose 3 more pounds, and that's it. That's the perfect weight for me. I'm losing weight. Yeah, so that's why I said I'm going to get back to the health club. The little routine I got going on is working. But like I said, I made a video about that, guys, about, you know, how to lose weight through lowering your blood sugar. And it's working for me. It's working for me. Y'all know I share everything that I do. If it's going to work, if it's not going to work. And that is absolutely working. I showed y'all all my little lazy exercises, you know, that I do. Those are working. So guys, I'm going to get back to braiding this hair. I just thought I would come and show you how far I have gotten. And this hair, I have braided my hair before, a long time ago in the past. And this hair, guys, it feels good and it burns good too, because I'm only burning the ends. I'm not doing all that other stuff, guys. I'm just burning the ends. And it's doing pretty good. I like the way it feels. All right, guys, let me get back to this. I told you guys, these braids lasted in my head for 3 days. I'm gonna take this crap out of my head. I told you, that's why I didn't want to go and pay that woman no $200, because I love my short hair, guys. And so, like I said, they lasted 2 days. I'm sitting up here watching my favorite programs, and I said, I can't do it no more. I cannot do it. It's too much hair. It's too heavy. I just love short hair. So, bye-bye braids. See? Look at that. I'm just pulling them out, guys. Guys, I'm sitting here in my bed pulling these braids out of my head. I told you. These braids weren't gonna last. I gave it 2 weeks. These braids only lasted 3 days in my head. I don't care how much I went through to put them up. I just, you know. Well, guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, you know I appreciate you. Thank you for watching my videos and spending this time with me. And guys, I'm going to talk to you later. And they're coming out easy too, guys. They're coming out really easy.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. Let's say